welcome you to Sining Pilipinas 2026.
Today, this is the culmination of an all-women's art competition that we have a few months ago. And we really targeted it for March for Women's Month. We had about 50 finalists, and from there, our judges chose the first 3 major winners. Our theme is usually concerns about women and how women participate in nation building.
Ang naging title ko, Helping Hands, kasi sa panahon ngayon kasi hindi lang natin isipin yung sarili natin, lahat sa nangyayari. Yun yung naging inspirasyon ko rin. Kailangan hindi lang para sa sarili mo, pangkalahatan na makarelate yung iba. Naging hugot ko dito sa piyesa ko, yung tema, pinag-isipan ko talaga na maayos. Pero hindi ako nahihirapan kasi naisip ko yung mama ko. Tapos yung mga ginagawa namin, na madalas namin ginagawa sa probinsya, yun yung nilagay ko lahat sa piyesa. Hindi lang yung mama ko, pati yung mga tao sa community namin.
We're very happy with the way BDO has supported us. They went along and supported us in whatever we needed to jumpstart the project. And because it was successful, I guess they're now continuing to support us all the way.
This is BDO's second year of supporting Sining Filipina art competition exclusively for women. Not a lot of people may know this, but BDO actually has an extensive art collection, which includes a lot of Filipina masters. And this is an extension of us encouraging new, emerging, young, old artists from all walks of life, so that there is an opportunity for them to be able to express their creativity, be seen and be exposed and be appreciated for their art. BDO is the largest bank in the country, and we see it as part of our responsibility to develop skills and talents of Filipinos, particularly women in the creative space, in terms of supporting social impact for the country.
I would like to ask our artists, continue to open your eyes and look around you and see whatever you think can inspire you to come out with a good artwork.